Hi everyone, this is Breaker from Hot-Top. If you are looking for wholesale products, the Hot-Top energy recovery ventilators can be a good choice for you. This is our EcoClean Forest Series ERV, the wall-mounted type ERV. Now we have both PM 2.5 version and CO2 version for your choice. And next, let's see an installation video as for how to operate it. And we have a remote controller and also the body panel for the controlling system. Next, let's see its main features as below. First, it can reduce more than 90% of indoor air pollutants within 30 minutes. Second, it is built with the energy-saving brushless DC motor. Thirdly, it is ductless design with wall-mounted installation. Firstly, multiple filters with 99% filtration efficiency. Fifthly, machine body control or remote controller. If you need more information, please contact us now.